Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's kitchen. Today, I'll make a typical Japanese spring dish. Let's get started. Takenoko! Takenoko! Today's theme is Takenoko bamboo shoot. Let's get started. Oh, I can't eat it. This time I'll also introduce how to boil bamboo shoot. I got this bamboo shoot from a friend. Thank you, my friend. Peel the bottom and cut off the root. Scrape off the red bumps at the root. By the way, I'm scared of something lumpy like this. Cut off about 3 cm diagonally from the top. Make a cut in the skin about 5 cm from the top. By doing this, when it is boiled, the inside will be cooked quickly. Next, boil the bamboo shoot. Put bamboo shoot and enough water to soak them in a pot. Add 30 grams of rice bran and 1 pepper. Bamboo shoot contains so much lye, but rice bran adsorb it. Put on high heat and when it boils, reduce to low heat. Cover and boil on low heat for 1 to 2 hours. Boil time depends on the size of the bamboo shoot. Add when the water runs low on the way. Try sticking a skewer on the bamboo shoot, and if you stick it easily, it's done. Cool while soaking in hot water. Next, wash the rice. While exchange water, wash until the water is no longer turbid. After that, soak in water for 30 minutes. Next, take a dashi soup stock. Boil plenty of water and add dried bonito flakes. Turn off the heat and wait until the dried bonito sinks. Put kitchen paper on the colander and strain the soup stock. It has nice scent. Dashi seems to have the effect of relaxing the mind. When the bamboo shoot have cooled, peel them off. Remove the skin by twisting the bamboo shoot. Also remove the skin at the tip. Oh, it's so cute! Next, cut the bamboo shoot vertically into 4 equal parts. Slice the bottom part to 3 mm. Slice the upper part vertically. This part is used for decoration. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. The concept is fusion of cooking and visual log. Please subscribe. Then cook the rice. Put 300 grams of rice, 300 cc soup stock, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons mirin. Mix and flatten the rice. Arrange bamboo shoot on top of rice. The amount of bamboo shoot is 150 grams. Cover and put on heat. First, put on high heat. When it boils, reduce the heat to low. Cook on low heat for 8 minutes. When it's time, turn off the heat and leave it for 15 minutes. And never open the lid. It's cooked. Wow, looks delicious! Sprinkle the leaves of sansho Japanese pepper to finish. It's done. This is sansho. By doing this, the scent will stand out more. Good fragrance. Oh, yeah. I woke up feeling the breath of spring. It's like eating spring. spring is great. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.